Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be showing you guys a quick evening cleaning routine. On this particular night, it was a school night and work night for my family, so not a ton of things on my to-do list, but the first thing I wanted to make sure to get done is get the kitchen cleaned up after dinner tonight. You're all done, please. Okay, you want to hand it to Mama?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, my love. The next thing on my to-do list was get a load of laundry put away. Most of this is my son's stuff. He typically needs a second wash done during the week. I try and get most of my laundry done on Sundays, but he typically runs out of some long pajamas and some of his sweatpants that I like to put him in for the week. So I typically do an extra load of laundry of his stuff on Wednesdays or kind of midweek, and then I'm just gonna put it all away here. Next, I'm going to get my son's outfit picked out for the next day, as well as get his pajamas together. And I'm going to actually put his pajamas in my room. He has been taking a bath in my big bathtub lately, and then we've been doing kind of our nighttime routine and pajamas in my room. What'd you say?
Do you want Mom to make cookies?
What do you say?
Say it. Make cookies, please.
Make cookies, please.
What?
Cookies.
What do you say?
Thank you.
No, you say, please, Mama.
Please, Mama.
Okay, I make cookies. My sweet little love decided he needed some cookies on this particular night, so I'm just going to toss these in the oven real quick. I'm also going to go through his playroom really quick and do a nice quick clean so it's not just a complete mess for the week. I also like to just wipe down his bathroom midweek with a Clorox wipe so that I can kind of do a quick disinfect again midweek for him. We are in the middle of potty training, so it just feels like it gets maybe a little bit grimy during the week. So again, just a really quick clean midweek here.